In this video, I'll explain how to derive the forces acting on a block on an inclined plane. This animation shows a couple of things, that a block can slide down an inclined plane, so there must be forces acting along the direction of the inclined plane. The block has got a mass, so there must be forces perpendicular to the surface of the inclined plane, which is the yellow arrow out there. So take an inclined plane and put in the angle theta of the inclined plane with respect to horizontal. Put in a mass shown by that green block there. Fix the center of gravity as O and draw a vertical line downwards, which is its weight. And the mass of this block is small m, therefore the weight is mg. The next step is to draw a line OC, which is perpendicular to the slope of the inclined plane. So OBC is perpendicular to the slope. Therefore, in that triangle ABC, the angle at B is 90 degrees because we drew the perpendicular. A is theta, therefore the angle at C is 90 minus theta, so the sum of those angles in that triangle is 180 degrees. After that, put in a point D, which is nothing but the intersection of the weight mg with the base of the inclined plane. Mg is a vector. So we get a triangle DOC. In that triangle, angle at O must be theta because 90 minus theta is known, angle at D is 90, so the remaining must be theta. After that, drop a perpendicular from D onto the line OC. That creates a point E. So we now have a triangle EDO, and the angle at O remains as theta. There is no change. So now we are looking at a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse of this right angle triangle EDO is mg. Therefore, the base of that triangle is OE, which is mg cos theta, and the perpendicular in this triangle is ED, which is mg sin theta. We have now derived the major forces acting on an inclined plane. Now the plane pushes back on the block with an equal force, which is the normal reaction. So normal reaction N is equal to mg cos theta. And the force which tends to slide the block backwards or downwards on the inclined plane is mg sin theta, which is nothing but the perpendicular in that triangle. So in any situation, these are the forces acting on a mass which is just sitting on an inclined plane. I hope this was useful. Thanks and have a great day.